Hello everyone, myself Piyush Kumar. Today in this video I am here to talk about a very beautiful topic which is the use of EV vehicles, because as you know it is just every people, most of the people is going to use EV vehicles, and some people they are using normal vehicle which runs from the by the petrol and diesels. It means fuel. Okay, then what is the difference between EV electric vehicles and fuel vehicles? Today in this video I am here to talk about that matter. Okay, firstly I would like to tell you about the electrical vehicle, because I have a both kind of vehicle, like a fuel vehicle and electric vehicle also. That's why today first of all I will speak about the electric vehicle. It means EV vehicles. I have one EV electric scooter. It means a scooty, and that is also very good. But over here there is one condition, that is top speed is only 40 kilometer per hour, and I think that this is good for the village area persons, because as you know I am a villager. That's why I think that this speed is good for the that persons who is living in a village area. Okay, my electric vehicle, I think it get charged in 6 to 7 hours. Okay, and it runs 150 kilometers in a first charge, and I think it take 10 or 15 rupees to get a charge by the electric. Okay, and its top speed is 40, and it's so easy to ride for every person. I am also riding that. My father and my every family member are going to ride that vehicle, because that is so easy to ride. Okay, and it's the most good thing is over here, that its range is too much. It runs 150 kilometers. It one charge. Then this is the most good thing for us, that it's going to run too much. If we are going to get it charged full, then I will not have to charge it till evening, till using. It means in a whole day, how much, that much can be possible. If I will write that, it will not get drained. Okay, that is a good thing for us. Okay, another reason is over here of this use, that is, if we are going to use electric vehicle, then it will not affect to the environment. It is also very good for the environment. That's why I think my suggestion is over there here, that every person should use these electric vehicles. Okay, and now I am here to talk about that vehicles which is going to run by the fuel. As you know that both of the bikes we will have to do, it means what to say, both of the bike we will have to put for the servicing. Both of the bike have to do service after using 5 or 10 years. As you know, now that the EV electric is going to run too much, but over here one condition is over here, that is but in that vehicles there is no lithium battery, because as you know the lithium battery life is too much. But nowadays in this electric vehicle, the company do not provide the electric. It means that battery, good battery. Okay, that's why when we will do servicing of this electric vehicle, then we will put a lithium battery in that. Okay, now I am here to talk about the fuel vehicles. As you know, which vehicle is going to run by the fuel that is going to affect on the environment. And in this generation also, most of the person is going to use this too much, and that's why this is not good, I think, for the environment, because it is going to affect on the environment. If this kind of thing will be happen in our India, in our country, then it will definitely affect on the environment, and by that way we will also have to face that kind of problem in a take oxygen and every kind of thing, because as you know it's going to be effect to the environment too much, because there is many kinds of factory and every kind of thing from where the dirty, it means dhua, you can say, that is going to be mixed in our environment, that will affect on our environment. Then we will also have to face many kind of problem to live in this world, in this life. We will have to face many kind of problem to live, to alive. Okay, then thanks for watching this video, and that's all.